Hello, hello, hello! We are, nasan tayo Gab? Tayo ay nasa Santipa Park. Yeah! Sa Santipa Park tayo sa Thailand. This is my last day. I only have like a few hours left here in Thailand. Nag-shoot ako ng content dun sa may hindi mo, grabe naman na sa content. Nag-shoot ng like isang video-ish doon sa may Victory Monument kanina. Malapit lang. Nandito kami sa may Bangkok. Like literally Bangkok. And saan ba to? Hindi ko rin actually to alam. Pero I have thoughts. I came from Afrojam dance camp here in Thailand. I've been here for almost a week na, since 19. Tama ba? 19. Hello mga birdie, hey. Kakain ng pakwan. Yeah, and mag-share lang ako ng mga thoughts ko recently kasi I think nagkaroon ako ng, I would say, meron akong alog moment here. Gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo yung alog moment ko. So, una muna, the classes were amazing. I am expecting to go again sa second edition this year. Kasi like every year pala, there are apparently 2 Afrojam dance camps every year. Yeah? Kaya tayo. Pinagyan kami ng slice ng pakwan. After namin mag-Thai massage, and then na-realize ko, kailangan ko nga ng pakwan. Gusto ko na, kailangan ko ng pakwan. Kahit naman pakwan sa Pilipinas, kailangan ko ng pakwan. Anyway, so sa Afrojam dance camp, the classes were amazing. I also took Survivor Intensive with Limpopo o kahapon after the camp na yun. Tapos na yung camp and then parang nagpa-Survivor Intensive siya, like privately, ganun. Pero in-endorse pa rin Afrojam. Yeah, I took everything. Sulit na sulit ang bayad. Naparebook pa ng flight. Dapat kahapon nakauwi na ako. Pero naparebook ng flight for the Limpopo Survivor Intensive. It was so worth it. I would say, nandito na rin tayo. Tara na. Yeah, nagalaw ang emergency fund, pero fight. You know? Pero I would like to share to you one like anecdote na while I'm here. Gusto ko rin ito balikan ni Gab in the future. Okay? So, after the 3 days kasi sa camp. Tapos, gusto ko lang i-share na medyo nasad ako in one of the after parties, actually. Kasi every night, there is an after party every night. Oh my God, 5% na lang yung battery ko. So, I'm gonna make this quick. Every day, camp day, merong after party sa evening. Hindi ako nakapunta ng first day kasi sobrang pagod. Second night, pumunta kami. And then the third night, hindi na rin ako pumunta. Kasi hindi ko vibes ba, hindi naman sa hindi ko vibes yung mga tao, pero like pagod din lang siguro ako noon and I don't have the battery na to dance and to make, basta ayoko lang, pagod na siguro ako noon, kaya tayo. Okay. And in the after party na punta ako, nasad ako on my way home, on my way back sa hotel. Kasi nakita ko yung mga people are so good. Gets mo ba? I had an exchange. Yung mga kasama na sila Redman, sila Adrian, Afro-Pilipinas. Kasi mga battlers yun. They have battle experience talaga. So, kaya nila pumunta talaga on stage, pumasok sa bilog, go, and then do a round. You know? Gets sila yun eh. At home sila sa mga ganung bagay. Tapos bigla yung mga Russians, nandiyan na yung mga Russians. Okay, sila Stasian, tell me why. Even though like they're already playing amapiano music, hindi ako makapasok. Yeah? And I do amapiano, you know? Tapos ayun na, ano na si Limpopo, ganyan, nagsumayaw na rin si E-Flex, ganyan. Pero hindi ako makapasok hindi talaga ako makapasok. Ewan ko bakit. I'm just vibing it out. Actually, and then tapos biglang si Stasian from Russia, if you are here, I love you so much, you're the best. Sobrang galing kasi nandiyan sila ni Yana Don, if you know Yana Don. Hindi sila nasa party pero it's the first time I've seen them in person. Amazing people. Then Stasian, and then tapos si Stasian, na siya, nagbabattle na siya ng mga tao, like ginagano niya na bang. Alam mo yun, like sumasayaw na siya sa harap mo yun all, tas inaano ka. Boom, tell me why mas nag-ground pa ako sa kanya ng Vogue Femme. Like when yung parang uma-attack yung very like Vogue Femme type beat yung piniplay. Bakit mas ginanahan akong pumasok doon imbes sa style na inaaral ko? I don't know why. Hindi rin naman ako lasing or anything. Pero I kind of I'm a bit of a frustrated like Voguer-ish rin kasi. Alam niyo ng mga friends ko. And mas pumasok ako doon. Feminine energy. Ow, ow, ow. You know? And then, the whole thing happened. Tapos na yung gabi. Ay, hindi. Pauwi na kami. And then, I just felt a bit sad on the way home kasi na-hit lang ako ng realization na I am not the shit. Sometimes you're not the shit. And that's okay. Pero wag mo na yung that's okay. Doon muna tayo sa sad part. Sabi ko parang, I thought sa lugar ko, like sa amin, magaling na ako. Alam mo yun, na parang, I thought I am the shit. I thought you know, alam mo yun, basta na-hit ka lang na realization na hindi ka ganun kagaling at takot ka and basta yun, you are not the best. Sometimes you just feel like you're not the best, you're not feeling your best. Hindi ako nakapasok or anything. I am not the best. I'm not the greatest. Hello? Yun lang, nalungkot lang ako kasi yun nga, sa Pilipinas, alam naman natin, alam ko sa sarili ko na when I dance here, I know people are looking and people know that I'm doing my shit, you know? Pero when eto ngayon napalibutan ako ng mga taong like do what I do and they do it better than me, nanliit ako. Like, look at Stasian, look at Yana Don, look at these people freestyling, you know? So good. Even sila Redman, sila Adrian, so, that's the same person. Sila Redman, si Yayega, amazing, 1% na lang mamamatay na to in a bit. I don't know, baka ituloy ko to sa airport. I'm just not the shit. At sinabi ko to kay Venjo when we're on the way home. Pero the good thing about that is, I know I'm not the shit. And then when I get home, may assignment ako. This whole experience made me want to freestyle. Confident ako sa ginagawa ko whenever we're in class. Like Precious Alvarez class na parang freestyle talaga yung class. Hindi siya, it's about battle techniques and freestyle techniques, ganyan. Ginanahan ako when I'm just here on my own. Confident ako when I'm here. When I'm just vibing out to the music. You know? Ginanahan akong mas nagkaroon ako ngayon ng alog na parang go into the circle. That's a good thing. That is a good thing. So, now I'm back in my hotel. And nalobat na ako. And my flight is in a few hours, honey. At nandito pa rin ako. Hindi pa ako sumasakay na bus. Kasi we have time. Where was I? Bing late ako. It was na-late talaga ako. Pero again, that is also the good thing. Kasi ngayon, nakwento ko, may sinasabi yung mga film friends ko na meron silang bubog. Yeah. Like, ano yung hugot mo? Ano yung pinanggagalingan mo? Real? May uga. You know? Yeah. So, this experience to me, yung like after party na yun, and the battles after the camp, like yung nasa camp, yung battles sa camp. Yeah. I saw how people do, how paano sila kumikilos, and like how sobrang gagaling. Yana Don, Miyu, what amazing people, just amazing people, and they are surrounded. Basically, home court namin to nang eh. Home court mo to, Gab. They play Afro music here, your sound is here, nandito sila, why not step in? Diba? Even, actually, nagkausap nga rin kami ng Afro Pilipinas, sila Ate Kate, okay, lahat tayo sasali sa pre-selections. Just for a round. Pre-selections. And hindi pa rin ako pumasok. Kaya ko yun kahit pagod ako eh. Kasi like, music ko yun. Music natin yun. And still, nandito pa rin naman ako. So, inisip na, I'm an amapiano specialist. Like, hindi naman. Nag-focus ako sa amapiano. And then, hindi sila masyado ma-play rin ang amapiano doon. So, there's this another thing rin. Pero like, I can look ito all the way. You know, bakit hindi ako pumasok? Gets ba? So, etong buong experience na to, the battles, the after party, that specific after party with Stasian, naalog ako ulit, nauga ako ulit. Now, I want to explore that. And that's the good thing. Nalungkot ako dahil I thought I was the shit, pero also, natuwa ako because I am not yet the shit. Over naman sa English words na ginagamit. Pero, pag uwi ko tonight and pagdating ko sa trainings, sobrang daming assignment, sobrang daming knowledge na pwedeng i-share, and I get to train it by sharing it. I get to lab with myself, get to listen to music more. Sobrang, I was sad for like 10 minutes. And then after that, I was okay na. Eh, ay, naku po. I think pwede na ako sumali sa like, like a small, ini-invite ako ng kuya James ko to join, anong tawag doon? Afro, like open styles to a Vogue beat. And I also love like Vogue music, Afro house yun na, like, give me a few like these. Go? Parang kaya ko yun eh. Ngayon parang I wanna show off. Parang kaya ko pala yun. Sabi nga ni Precious, believe. Greatness. Believe. Baka yun lang ang kulang ko actually. Kailangan ko lang mag-believe. Yeah? I just need to believe. At pag uwi ko, bibelieve ako. Ang dami ko rin pinamili. Billy. Tonight, I'm going home with going home with 2 boxes ng chicken zab, ng wing zab from KFC. If there's one thing na ito take away mo here, there are 2 things you can take away from this video, okay? I'm gonna end the video. Sasakay na ako ng bus. 1, believe in yourself. At mag-battle na. Ikaw, real? Like, join the circle. Let's join the circle. Kung papasok ko sa circle, papasok rin ako. Yun ang usapan natin dalawa. Okay? And number 2, pag napunta ka sa Thailand, don't get McDo. It's a no. Walang special. Go to KFC. Get the wing zab. Don't get the chicken. Kahit wing zab na. Yung chicken, same lang sa atin. Gets na yan. May rice lang. Get the wing zab. 6-piece. Get everything wing zab. Everything wing zab. Amazing. Drinks. May refill only. Avail. I'ma go. I love you. Bisu. Paano yung kanina sa bisu? Bye-bye na.